Hey, I'm back with another video. This is episode 11 of the Stance is Everything 1951 GMC project Why Wait. Today we are going to be focusing on that right there, which is my Proform radiator that was hooked up on behalf of Proform Parts and Performance Improvements. So what I have in my truck is the 17-inch 123 universal radiator setup from Proform. I've put it into my right radiator support already, and it's actually sitting in the truck. Don't worry, I'm going to cut to some footage of it sitting on my bench, some glamour shots. And now that we're back, I can finish telling you exactly what this is. So part one of the 123 setup is the 17-inch radiator. It's got two end tanks on the end. It's all TIG welded together, actually rather nicely. Any dents you see in the fins totally came from me because I'm a bit of a klutz, but it came out of the box super fresh and super nice. Part two of the setup is the fan shroud here. The fan shroud is super important. Do not let anyone tell you you do not need a fan shroud for your cooling system. You 100% need a fan shroud. It makes it work really well. And this is a setup where you don't have to fabricate it at all. 17-inch model that I got comes with driver's side inlet, passenger side outlet. It has a bung here for a temperature sensor. It also comes with a fan control harness and everything like that should you need that. I'm going to try and run everything off the ECU, so I don't really know if I'm going to need that. The final piece of the puzzle is, of course, the electric fan that comes with it that obviously sits in this nice fan shroud. Got a nice connector at the end there. For the other AD truck guys, I did push it forward a little bit just so that it will fit, but it will clear my grill and everything like that. The grill actually mounts down here, so I don't have to worry about that. I did end up putting a notch in for the outlet and the inlet. I've just mounted it right now with an L bracket here and here. I am going to get some brackets TIG welded to the side here just to mount it a little bit more securely, and then I'm going to go from there. Pretty much everything is ready to go. It's an all-in-one setup. It's not a lot of money, and really it was a no-brainer once Performance Improvements recommended this to me. So I got to give a big shout out to Performance Improvements and Proform Radiator for hopping on board Project Why Wait. I can't wait to hear this thing fire up with this rad in it and keeping everything cool. That's just a quick update. I'm going to have one more this year of kind of the truck as it sits before the year closes out. So hopefully you guys are still on board for the project, and we'll talk to you soon.